The MowMr Robotic Lawnmower RLM22 is a high-tech solution for lawn care, using cutting-edge C-ToF technology to quickly and accurately detect any breaks in the boundary wire, which simplifies maintenance. The MowMr RLM22 features smart planning, creating efficient mowing paths and covering every inch of your lawn, achieving an impressive 90 square meters per hour. The MowMr RLM22 is equipped with a smart rain sensor, which allows the mower to automatically return to its base station when it senses rain and resume mowing from the exact spot once the rain stops. The automatic blade lift and smart sensing technology of the MowMr RLM22 ensure a clean, consistent cut, even on dense patches of grass, making lawn care simple and effortless. The MowMr RLM22 comes with a 2-year warranty and prompt customer support, ensuring peace of mind for users. With a price tag of $899, the MowMr RLM22 offers a host of advanced features, making it a worthwhile investment for efficient and hassle-free lawn care.